Hi, I'm Kelly Villegas with Focus Neuro Rehab, and today I'm going to show you some cupping techniques that are going to help if you have swelling in your hand. This could be swelling from a surgery or some type of injury that you sustained, but you don't have any open wounds, okay? So, the first thing I want to teach you is a little bit about the anatomy of the lymphatic system. You have very tiny vessels, and these aren't your blood vessels. These are lymphatic vessels, and they're just beneath the skin. They drain the lymph into the lymph nodes that are in the front of the arm, in the armpit, and even like up in the neck area where the thoracic outlet is. So we want to basically move that lymph down into the thoracic outlet area and then hopefully down into the gut where the main pump is, okay? So to do that, first we're going to prime the pump. So first I want you to do some twists, maybe do 20 or 30 twists, okay? And then you can do some reaches, get that shoulder moving, okay? And then I want you to literally massage your armpit. This is where most of our lymph nodes are. And so we really want to just prime the pump by doing a gentle massage there. Now you don't have to squeeze hard or anything. It's just a gentle massage. You can also gently massage the thoracic outlet area. And if you're tight there, you can massage the muscles a little bit. But really, we just want to do just a gentle massage on the armpit, okay? And then you're going to gently massage the front of the arm. So again, you're just using like a kind of a cup formation of your hand, and you're just gently bringing that up towards the heart, okay? Next, I'm going to show you the cups. So you're going to need 2 silicone cups this size and some ultrasound gel. And I will leave links, my affiliate links in the comments so that you can purchase these. And it does help me if you use the affiliate links. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is put a little bit of ultrasound gel on your arm. Okay. And make sure you cover the elbow area too. And then you're going to take the big cup, you're going to squeeze it, and you're going to cause some suction there. You can see my skin up in there, and you're not leaving it there. This isn't for, if you have sore muscles or something. This is for the lymphatics. So what we want to do is we want to pull that towards the lymph nodes. Good. And then we're going to do that again. And so you can do this a few times, pulling that lymphatic flow towards those lymph nodes. And you can also do it on the top of your arm. So if the swelling is more on this side, that's fine too, okay? Good. Once you've done that, then we're going to work on the hand. So you want to have, again, no open wounds or anything like that. This is for after you've already healed those wounds. And then you're going to take the smaller cup. Now the lymphatic vessels in the hand are kind of in a circle. So maybe start at the top and then go on the outside. Again, pulling towards the elbow. And then going the other side. And then continuing on down towards the elbow. Okay, so you can do that a few times like that. And if it's on the other side, again, you're going to do the same thing. Go on the sides. Sometimes you have to kind of hold the cup a little thinner. If you have like a thinner, smaller wrist, then it helps to kind of, you start the suction and then just keep that suction on there. And then again, you're bringing it towards the elbow, okay? Also, I like to show people how to use this for scar releases. A lot of times people have scars on their hand that cause the swelling to stay there. So if you have any kind of scar adhesion, Then you want to just take the cup and have it, stick the cup, basically use the suction of the cup and leave it on right above the scar until the skin turns red. Once the skin turns red, you can take it off. Okay, we don't need to keep that on there because that's a different type of cupping. So this is just to help with the lymphatic flow. I hope that this video helped you. And if you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and put them in the comments section and I'll be glad to answer those the best that I can. And like and subscribe for more videos like this, okay? Have a great day.